Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Is special luxury bungalows that we have taken over. You know, our business as Ihcl, being a Tata company, is to give back to the society. So we said that we'll reach out to individual owners, you know, so that they also make some money on the brand Tata. Because Goa is very, very special to the Tatas. It has a special place in the hearts of the Tatas. We're creating more jobs to the society and creating a lot of revenue for the government of Goa. This is our 7th bungalow in Goa, and all over India 20 bungalows so far. This is the 20th bungalow today on the Easter day. Oh yes, Goa is going to see much more. Our target is to have 50 bungalows. So we have one in Sholim, one in Betul, there's one in Saipan. This bungalow is very, very special. It was built in 1943, right? Heritage bungalow of Fontainhas. This is going to give a good image to Fontainhas. A person who comes to study the heritage around, to experience the heritage of Goa, that niche segment will come and stay here.
The Ihcl, who are in this business now for many years, who have a very good reputation in this market, who is owned also by the Tata Group, known for their ethos and values in business, and we look forward to a very fruitful association with Ihcl. We have been running this place as a boutique hotel for the last 5 years, very successfully, but we still felt that we have to take this to a different level, and Ihcl was an automatic choice.